2025 Ford Transit-Custom-Nugget and the 2025 Volkswagen-California-Ocean are prominent choices in the campervan market, each offering unique features tailored to diverse camping preferences. Here's a detailed comparison to assist potential buyers. Base vehicles and conversions. Volkswagen California-Ocean. Based on the Volkswagen Transporter, the California-Ocean is a factory-built campervan, ensuring seamless integration of camping amenities with the vehicle's design. Volkswagen's extensive experience in campervan manufacturing is evident in its refined build quality. Ford Transit-Custom-Nugget. Derived from the Ford Transit Custom, the Nugget's camper conversion is executed by Westfalia, a reputable name in the camper industry. This collaboration combines Ford's robust vehicle platform with Westfalia's expertise in camper layouts. Interior layout and features. California-Ocean features a traditional side kitchen layout, allowing for a spacious central walkway. The pop-up roof provides additional sleeping space, accommodating up to 4 people. The interior boasts high-quality materials, a touchscreen infotainment system, and swiveling front seats to enhance living space. Transit-Custom-Nugget offers a unique rear kitchen design, separating the cooking area from the living and sleeping spaces. This layout provides a more homely feel and allows for a larger living area. The Nugget also sleeps up to 4, with a double bed in the pop-up roof and another in the main cabin. Driving experience. Performance. The California-Ocean is equipped with a 2.0-liter TDI engine producing 150 horsepower, delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. The Transit Custom-Nugget comes with a 2.0-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, offering 185 horsepower, providing a slightly more robust performance. Handling and comfort. The California is praised for its car-like handling and refined ride quality, making long journeys comfortable. The Nugget, while offering a commanding driving position, has a softer suspension setup, which may result in more body roll compared to the California. Practicality and storage. California-Ocean provides ample storage solutions, including cupboards, drawers, and under-seat compartments. The side kitchen layout allows for a larger rear boot space, suitable for storing outdoor equipment. Transit Custom-Nugget. The rear kitchen design offers dedicated kitchen storage, freeing up the main cabin for living and sleeping. The Nugget also features an integrated wardrobe and clever storage solutions throughout the cabin. Pricing. California-Ocean, positioned as a premium offering, the California-Ocean has a higher starting price, reflecting its brand heritage and comprehensive features. Transit Custom-Nugget, generally more competitively priced, the Nugget offers a cost-effective alternative without compromising on essential campervan amenities. Additional considerations. Technology and infotainment. Volkswagen California-Ocean. Equipped with a digital cockpit and a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Features integrated camper controls via the touchscreen, allowing for easy management of lighting, battery levels, and water supply. Advanced driver assistance features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera. Ford Transit Custom-Nugget includes Ford ANC4 with a 12-inch infotainment screen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. Camper-specific controls are housed in a separate touchscreen panel for climate, lighting, and water management. Driver aids include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and parking assist. Camping features and amenities. California-Ocean. Side kitchen unit with a 2-burner gas stove, sink, and 42L fridge. Swiveling front seats and a collapsible dining table for a flexible living area. Integrated outdoor awning and camping table for exterior use. Diesel heating system and optional auxiliary air conditioning. Transit Custom-Nugget. Rear kitchen layout with a 2-burner gas stove, sink, and 40L fridge. More spacious seating arrangement due to its unique layout, with a rear bench that converts into a bed. Integrated awning and external shower hookup. Webasto diesel heating system for year-round comfort. Off-grid capabilities. California-Ocean. Equipped with a second leisure battery, offering decent off-grid capabilities. Optional solar panel integration for extended trips. Freshwater and wastewater tanks, approximate 25 L each. Transit-Custom-Nugget offers larger water tanks, 40 L fresh, 30 L wastewater, for extended off-grid use. Solar panel integration available for sustainable power use. Additional inverter for 230V power supply to charge devices. Customization and variants. California-Ocean. Available in multiple trim levels, with options for all-wheel drive, 4Motion. Extensive range of optional accessories, including bike racks, roof tents, and storage solutions. Transit-Custom-Nugget. Available in standard and high roof variants, with an option for a longer wheelbase version, Nugget Plus, which includes a built-in toilet and additional storage. Fuel efficiency and environmental impact. California-Ocean offers an estimated 6.5 to 7.0 L/100 km, 36 to 40 mpg, depending on driving conditions. The plug-in hybrid version, California e-Hybrid, is expected to launch later, offering reduced emissions. Transit-Custom-Nugget. Slightly higher fuel consumption at 7.0 to 7.5 L/100 km, 32 to 38 mpg, due to its higher power output. No official hybrid or electric version yet, but Ford is expected to introduce electrified options. Ownership and maintenance considerations. When investing in a campervan, maintenance costs, reliability, and resale value are crucial factors. Here's how the 2025 Ford Transit Custom-Nugget and 2025 Volkswagen-California-Ocean compare in these areas. Reliability and durability. Volkswagen-California-Ocean. Built on the Volkswagen Transporter platform, known for its durability and solid construction. Volkswagen's long history in campervan manufacturing ensures well-integrated features. The 2.0 TDI engine is well proven and widely used, making repairs and parts availability easier. Possible concerns with AdBlue, SCR system, failures in DPF, diesel particulate filter, clogging if mostly used for short trips. Ford Transit Custom-Nugget. Based on the Ford Transit Custom, which has a strong reputation for reliability in commercial applications. The 2.0 EcoBlue diesel engine has been refined over the years but may require regular maintenance of the turbo and EGR system to prevent carbon buildup. Westfalia's conversion is well regarded, but since it's an aftermarket conversion, some components may not be as seamlessly integrated as Volkswagen's factory-built approach. Winner, both are reliable, but the California-Ocean's fully factory-built approach may give it an edge in long-term durability. Maintenance and service costs. Volkswagen-California-Ocean. Service intervals, every 15,000 miles, 24,000 kilometers, or annually. Higher servicing costs due to Volkswagen's premium branding and the cost of specialized parts. Extended warranty options available but can be expensive. Ford Transit Custom-Nugget. Service intervals, every 18,000 miles, 30,000 kilometers, or annually. Generally lower service costs since Ford parts and labor tend to be more affordable. Westfalia-specific components, like the pop-top mechanism, may require servicing by specialized workshops. Winner, Ford Transit Custom-Nugget is likely to be cheaper to maintain in the long run. Resale value and depreciation. Volkswagen-California-Ocean. Historically, Volkswagen campervans retain their value exceptionally well, with some older models even appreciating over time. Strong brand loyalty and desirability make resale easier. Ford Transit Custom-Nugget. Expected to depreciate faster than the California-Ocean due to Ford's lower perceived brand prestige in the campervan market. However, Westfalia conversions hold their value better than many other aftermarket camper conversions. Winner, Volkswagen-California-Ocean has a clear advantage in resale value and demand in the used market. Insurance costs. Volkswagen-California-Ocean. Higher insurance premiums due to its premium branding and resale value. Factory-built conversion means fewer concerns about insurance coverage gaps. Ford-Transit-Custom-Nugget. Slightly lower insurance costs, but since Westfalia is a third-party converter, some insurance providers may charge higher premiums for modified vehicles. Availability and delivery times.